NumberOneOnTheList.com. Professional mobile-friendly websites and SEO help. It's better if you're on top.
Hi, Tom Jacoby here at NumberOneOnTheList.com, and I want to talk to you about how to get noticed by the search engines, how to rank well when a search is done for your product or service, okay? Alright, first thing, your URL, your Uniform Resource Locator, your website address, should contain whatever it is, whatever the primary keyword is for your business. For example, if you have a hamburger restaurant that specializes in the bacon double cheeseburger, then bacondouble-cheeseburger.com, cheeseburger.com, hicksvillecheeseburger.com, hicksvillebaconcheeseburger.com, those are all great URLs, Uniform Resource Locators, all right? Those are good web addresses. Now, it doesn't stop there. The next thing is each page of your website should be concentrated or focused on a different keyword. You don't want to put them all on the same page. You don't want to use all your keywords at once, because if the keyword cheeseburger is worth 100 Google bucks, and you also want to include the keyword shoestring French fries. All right, so if you use those both on the same page, now they're each worth 50 Google bucks. Now, if you want to include another two keywords, now they're each worth 25 Google bucks. You get the idea. So you want to go one keyword per page, one primary keyword per page. It's not the only thing you should talk about, but it's what you should focus on, all right? So your URL contains your primary keyword for the website. Your title for a particular web page contains the focus keyword for that page, okay? You can tell what your title is by opening a page in your browser, and you look up on top of the tab of the browser window that's open on your browser, okay? So the browser window at the top has a tab. The tab has words on it. Those words tell you what the title of your web page is, all right? This is also how they come up on search. When you look at search engine results, the top thing, the link, that's your title. Underneath that comes words that are a description, which is, logically enough, your description. Now, your title you want to keep short. No long rambling titles. Short title, okay? 50 characters and spaces, thereabouts. Your description, you can now roll out a bit. Figure 150 characters and spaces or thereabouts. Now, although you're rolling out, you're not going to throw in a whole bunch more keywords. You're going to, alright, so back to cheeseburger. So you can now, under the description, you can describe your cheeseburger. All natural grass-fed beef, organic beef, charcoal grilled, hickory smoked, whatever, you see? But you're expressing this in English. You're not just going keyword. No. You're saying this in sentences. You're describing it. Now, when you're describing, try to get rid of your adjectives and adverbs. You don't want to say great, the best, top. No. You want to just keep it to things that actually describe your bacon double cheeseburger, your specialty of the house, okay? So your description is informative about what it is that you do, okay? So what we've got now is we've got a URL, you've got your web address that contains your keyword. Next, you've got your page title that also contains your keyword. Then you've got a description that's about your keyword as well, all right? What else? Your content. And your content should also, if the address is cheeseburger, and the title is cheeseburger, and the description describes your lovely cheeseburgers, then your content has to be all about cheeseburgers. You know? The history of the cheeseburger. How you prepare your cheeseburgers. Where do you get your beef? Where do you get your other ingredients? You see what I mean? You don't want to just brush over this. Alright. Most people are searching the internet on their smartphones. So you need to be visually based. In order to be visually based, you need a short video. Short video. Or an image that says what it is. So somebody looks at the image and they go, aha, I see what this is. All right, 30% of all internet commerce comes from smartphones. That's as of now. That number is just growing. But this is supposed to be a short video. I'm going to keep it short, but I will continue on another one, all right? All right. Thanks a lot for listening. I appreciate that.